What is up, guys? It is the mattslasher, and we are back with another video, guys. And guess what day it is, guys? Yeah, it's Friday. And you know what that means. Friday through Sunday, I'm gonna try to post like crazy because I barely ever get a chance or have no idea what to do on the weekdays, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Thursday. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I'll try to post and do whatever I can for YouTube because, yeah. So what I'm going to be doing today, guys, is the Wondershare for Laura app is a very good editing app, and I really suggest you get it because it's just really easy, and it's got great stuff that you can do on there. If you've been seeing my latest videos, I've been having like words pop up in the screen and like endings. But guys, so what we're gonna be doing today is I was looking through all the music they have, and I found out that there's sound effects. So I'm gonna be trying to like doing an impression of the sound effects. Sorry if I'm a bit up because I mean it's the first time I haven't even tried out the sound effects yet. I've just heard them and listened to them actually like 5 minutes ago. So guys, yeah, let's get into this video. I'm going to be doing the first impression. Guys, I'm so mad right now. I can swear. Yeah, let's take pictures. These idiot drivers, get off the road! Guys, I don't really feel good. You know? I thought I told you don't call me anymore. Have an alien. It's game over for me. Alright guys, today, this video wasn't much today. It was something, I really wanted to try out those sound effects. And I hope I could get them all good to where I didn't like do it messed up because I really wanted to try out these sound effects. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed. Comment down below what we should do next. Like and subscribe. And watch my other videos. mattslasher out.